Are you tired of waiting in long lines at SARS branches? Discover how the SARS online query system, SOQS, available on the SARS website, can help you to streamline tax-related inquiries. Simply select the relevant query type from the SOQS menu and complete the appropriate online form, such as registration of a tax number or a representative, as well as account-related queries, compliance and auto-assessment status requests. The SOQS system can as well assist you to request your income tax number, submit your supporting documents, and even if you want to search if a VAT vendor's VAT number is legit, the SOQS system can assist you. And many more other options are available to assist you to keep you a compliant taxpayer. Let us explore the first tile. Request your tax number. This option will assist you to request proof of your income tax number without visiting a SARS branch office. Once selected, you need to complete your identity number, name and surname, then select the Submit button to proceed. You will be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA verification field and select the Submit button. On the next screen, your preferred contact information will be displayed where your confirmation of income tax number will be sent. Remember, if you changed your cell phone number or your email address, to make sure to update your contact information at SARS via the SARS e-filing, as it is crucial to receive your notices and correspondence. Select the Confirm tab once done. A message will display, tax reference number successfully sent, and confirming that you will receive your personal income tax reference number confirmation shortly. A mail with the notice of assessment attached will be sent to your email address. There will be a message: to protect your personal information, your correspondence is password protected, and to please enter your ID, passport or permit number to open the attachment. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the convenience of SOQS yourself. SARS at your service.